Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. So, already in the member update earlier today, I pointed out that the market so far has only moved up in 3 waves. So we can still treat this as a wave 2 in the orange scenario. For now, the price also has now shown a first reaction to a very important resistance level, namely the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at $139.25. You see it here. So far, this is only a 3-wave move down, however. And with only a 3-wave move down, there is currently no evidence that a very meaningful top has formed. 3 waves down is not enough to confirm that wave 2 in orange has topped. If we get a micro 5-wave decline, that would be our first indication. If we then also see a break below the last swing lows here from Sunday, especially $127.80, well, that would be a textbook 1-2 setup to the downside. All right. I could even call that move down 5 waves. It's not very clear, but that last leg down could be the 5th wave. So it is 5 down, 3 up. Yeah, I could label it 3 down. So that's why the yellow and blue scenarios are there as well. Because so far, remember what I said in the last video update, Solana has only been moving in a sideways range for the last 3 weeks, you could say. Yeah, since mid-November, we've been moving just sideways, and the chart has most recently here respected our Fibonacci support zone for the weekend. Again, we just moved from support into resistance. The market is now testing and respecting our micro resistance area, which I defined for the weekend, which still seems to be relevant here early this week. And it's been a slow day so far. It's been a slow start to the week as well because we haven't seen any breakout. I'm also obviously checking the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, and they also haven't really made any major movement. So it's a rather quiet start to the week. And so just sideways action, and I wouldn't even rule out that maybe even a triangle is starting to form here somehow, but I have no evidence for that. So I would say, as long as we respect the resistance area that you already know about, between $137 and $142.50, the orange count can definitely easily take the lead from here. It would require a break above that initial micro resistance area at $142.50 to confirm further the blue scenario and to highlight that as leading scenario. Yeah, so blue will basically be confirmed once we get a break above initial resistance at $142.50. That opens the door to $153 and $156.80 next. And then these are the next Fibonacci levels. Look, I mean, we already reacted here to the 100% extension at $146.80, which means that we are riding the right wave. Yeah. Solana is respecting this set of Fibonacci levels that we have on the chart here, which is why we do the work. I mean, hopefully they are helpful. But so far, I mean, over the weekend, we didn't really get much action. But the market moved from support into resistance. I mean, that's exactly what you would expect, right? Reacting to one set of Fib levels, moving to the next. And the reaction now to this zone will tell us whether the orange count is leading. Again, we would need a micro 5-wave decline for that. Or whether the blue count is leading. Again, we would need a break above $142.50 for that to confirm that one further. And then the focus can shift to the next upside Fib levels in the blue target zone. Again, whether this is wave 4 in the orange count or wave 4 in the blue count, it doesn't really make a change to the overall structure because they are both seen as a corrective bounce in a downtrend, which could still get another low, possibly into the direction of $80 to $90. We talked about it many times. That's the update on Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Thanks so much for watching the videos on this YouTube channel. If you've been thinking about joining MCO as a member, now might be a great time. You can use the link in the video description and apply the discount code right below it. You will get 50% off your first month of our gold membership, and you can explore everything we offer. It's the easiest way to test the membership, see if it's a good fit for you, and get a feel for the community, join the conversation, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in our member area.